Hello, everyone. This is Rob Santiago. I'm super excited about sharing this information with you guys today. I see a ton of people getting onto this webinar, so we're going to jump right into the information so we can respect your time. We're going to talk about the protection plan that United Credit Education Services is providing to be able to help you restore your credit within the next 30 to 90 days. So current U.S. statistics, right? We're going to talk about the range of credit scores being 300 to 850. But unfortunately, right, according to CNBC.com, it says the average credit score is a 700, but 61 million Americans are struggling with less than a 600 credit score currently. A quarter of all people don't know what their current credit score is, right? And 10% of those individuals actually are credit invisible, meaning that they don't have anything that's reporting to the credit bureaus. Guys, what did we learn about our finances in school? Unfortunately, they failed to educate us about personal finance, freedom, or success. And we're going to be able to teach you about that today. United Credit Education Services, you're going to learn what it is and the protection plan membership that's able to help you restore your credit. But I'm going to give you a little bit of credibility about the company. Over 15 years in business, A+ rated, and what we specialize is helping you remove inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items from your credit report. The United Credit Education Services protection plan has 11 services included, plus a scholarship program where we donate hundreds of thousands of dollars to the youth to educate them on what we're going to educate you on today. So credit restoration is our flagship product, and I am going to explain exactly how our three-step process works. But what I want to do first is educate you on that 3-digit resume that can keep you out of jobs, out of the place that you want to live in, right? From renting, from mortgage. We're going to give you the 5 factors of your credit score that calculate your score. First one being 35% of your payment history. One late payment for anything that's reporting to the credit bureaus can cost you 50 to 100 points. So just make sure that you're paying anything reporting to the bureaus on time. The next factor is 30%, also known as the utilization percentage of your credit cards. If you have any open credit cards right now, whatever the limits are, make sure that you maintain under 30% so you can maximize this factor of the score. And if you don't have any credit cards, guys, you're affecting yourself by 30% by not having one, which we'll talk to you a little bit more about later. Length of credit, 15%. The longer your credit lines are, the longer that history of positive payment on there, the better it looks on your score. And then the next 2 is the new type of credit that you establish and the type of credit being installment or revolving types of loans. So these are a couple myths that you probably thought were true, right? Unfortunately, the credit reporting agencies are not government entities, right? They're privately owned businesses, and they actually report independently. This is the reason why you see 3 different scores 3 different times. They update separately. They do not communicate with each other. Creditors have the option to report to 1, 2, or 3, but they're not obligated to share that information with all of them, right? Think about it. You go to a dealership, they may be only using TransUnion. You're getting a new mortgage or new rent, they might be only going through Equifax or Experian. It doesn't know, it's just based off of that creditor. And then the last one here, most people think that reviewing and disputing items on their credit report is illegal. Guys, there's nothing illegal about our program, right? 15+ year A-rated company. And what we're doing is leveraging your legal right. This is a law that you can research, right? Fair Credit Reporting Act. As an American, you have the right to dispute anything that's negative on your credit report. We have a small list below: late payments, medical bills, right? Collections, anything that's derogatory on your credit report, you have the right to remove, dispute, and remove these items from your report, leveraging this law. So while you're in our program, we're actually going to give you a portal, 24/7 access, so you know exactly where your current credit score is and your progress report within your time in the program, right? It's going to show you exactly what steps were taken, what items are deleted, so you have no confusion about our process, and it's very transparent. We're going to teach you about the 11 services that the company offers. First, the budgeting tool. I'm going to teach you how to start budgeting your finances. What's the point of having good credit and you can't budget the money that's coming in, right? We're going to also teach you how to build your credit, because guys, this program isn't going to take you from that 300 to that 850. It's going to eliminate the negative items that you currently have and give you the opportunity to open up new lines of credit, which is going to help you build your credit score. Access to credit attorneys, right? And we're also going to give you a monitoring service 24/7 on your app or smartphone, right? You can actually monitor your credit 24/7. It's not every 7 days updated, not every 30 days. You have complete access to this on live time. Debt payoff, right? Who doesn't want to be debt free? We have a phenomenal program that's going to teach you the exact payment guide on how to save you thousands of dollars on interest on what you currently have outstanding. The financial lockbox is a great tool to be able to stash all your important financial documents. Identity monitoring now, we're going to give you a premier service that's going to be able to protect your identity now that you're graduating from our program and you're over that 750 score. Guys, you're very vulnerable for identity theft, okay? So this program is going to help you save that as well. The net worth, now we're going to teach you exactly what your net worth is and put you into the savings goals, right? We're going to teach you how to save for those vacations, how to save for whatever particular item that you want for the rest of the year. And we're also going to provide you a will, trust, and power of attorney to not only protect you, but protect your family as well. And we'll go over that YFL Mint program, which is a scholarship program I was mentioning. Guys, quick pricing, right? A lot of value, 10 more services than any other company in the entire industry. And what happens is that you make a one-time activation fee for this program of $99, plus your first month of $89 for your services. $89 a month, no contract. So it costs you as a client to start repairing and working on your credit $188 to get started, right? $89 a month. Again, there is no contract, no hidden fee, no cancellation penalties, and you can cancel at any time of your choice. The YFL program is huge. We give out hundreds of thousands of dollars in scholarship money to the youth. We go out and educate the kids on the ages of 8 to 18 on how important their finances, how important credit is for their future, right? So $2 for every $89 payment that you make and our company makes, right? And you're also gonna be able to donate money to this program. As you see, in 2016, we did over $100,000 in donations. And just this year, we cleared over $350,000 giving out these donations to over 60 participants in the program. Congratulations to all the participants. So quick recap, right? $188 is what it's gonna cost you to start leveraging your right, leveraging these credit attorneys, all 11 services that we have available for you, right? So you can graduate in this program within the next 30 to 90 days. But guys, if you're like myself, coming from the finance industry, I worked over 10 years in financial institutions all throughout the country, names like Bank of America, Amscot Financial, and one thing that I struggled with in my career was people with less than perfect credit, right? There may be a lot of individuals on this line right now that can relate, like myself. You may be in real estate, you may be in car sales, maybe a solar panel salesman, right? Your clients may have to qualify for the service that you sell every single day. So what this opportunity is going to be able to show you and leverage the platform and share the United Credit Education Services Protection Plan with your clients so they can be qualified within that 30 to 90 day time frame, and you can build more revenue for your business. So we're going to teach you about FES, right? How to improve your own financial situation, start your own business while improving your own credit. Who wouldn't want to do that, right? So we're going to give you some credibility on Financial Education Services, which is a debt-free company, A-rated with the Better Business Bureau, founded in 2004, obviously doing something right, guys, right? Over 10 years in business with consistent, strong annual sales growth. Same two key executives that are sitting right there in headquarters in Farmington Hills, Michigan, Paramel Naik and Mike Tola. Thank you guys for everything that you do. You're going to teach you how to run your own business by utilizing the FES marketing tools that are already created for you. It's going to teach you how to supplement your income, or you can take this full time like I did, right? After 3 months of being in this program and servicing my clients, I was able to walk away from corporate America and now do this full time from anywhere at any time. And you also are in control of your finances at this point. So as an FES agent, right, if you were looking at the services and you've seen a ton of value and you may need the services for yourself, now for $100 more, it's not a separate fee of $288, it's a total of $288. But what's going to happen is that you're actually going to benefit from all the services that we just went over, right? For your own personal credit, we're going to give you a personalized website from the company, online tracking and support system, agent and customer support. So we have a corporate office that's open from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. to help you and your customers get service, right? You have access to professional marketing materials like you see here. You don't have to invent these items. They're already created for you. We have weekly pay, right? Every single Thursday, direct deposit, or you can receive a check in the mail depending on your preference. So commissions, residuals are paid out. We get paid out 5 different ways in this company. And remember that number 5 is gonna help you get the service for free. And I'm actually gonna explain that in the further slide. Guys, you get up to $100,000 in term life insurance with this program included, and a ton of tax advantages that you can actually take advantage. It's gonna save you hundreds of thousands of dollars on your own taxes, right? So for $288 one time, $89 a month, you can actually become a representative of the company, an agent on our team, where we're gonna teach you how to restore your own credit and how you refer this program over to other individuals who may need the service. Again, you're not fixing their credit. You're just referring over the program to United Credit Education Services so the attorneys can do what they do best. So we're gonna give you a couple additional features, right? One being Credit My Rent. This is huge for anyone who's in real estate. You're gonna love this, meaning that anyone who's currently renting, guys, over 80% of the population is doing so. Now you can actually add your rent payments onto your credit report for a positive trade line, which is gonna help you increase your credit score. Think about how many people you can help. How many people are renting and wanna get into a mortgage, but they can't due to the lack of credit, the disciplinary options that they have on their credit report, and then now you're adding positive trade lines to help them increase their score. We can go up to 2 years back of prior rental history and add it onto your credit report, which can help you go up 50 to 100 points in 45 days. We also provide a secure credit card. So many banks out there provide these type of cards where you have to place a down payment. They'll give you a card in exchange, and once you start making your payments on time, over the course of a year, they can give you back your deposit. The difference between them and ours, we have a minimum deposit of $200. Most banks do $300. And the annual percentage rate on our card is a lot lower than most banks out there, right? So this is another trade line that you can add, because there may be people on this call that say, guess what? I don't have derogatory items on my credit report. I just need help building my credit. And these are 2 items that we can help you with. Also, you get that smart credit app to monitor your credit, and that will trust and power of attorney you can sell additionally and separately if necessary. So how do you earn this service for free? Right, you made your $288 investment, but now what we're gonna do is help you refer over 5 other clients or business partners to the program, actively using the protection plan membership, and now you're gonna get your own credit and business for free, right? So we're gonna teach you how we pay you out as a representative of our company. First way of 5, $100 per client with no cap, meaning that, hey, if you enroll 5 customers in a month, that's an additional $500 to you and your family every single month, right? Think about doing 5 clients a month for the course of a year. That's an additional $6,000 in income, not interfering with what you currently do for work now. But not only will we give you that $100 up front, every single month that your clients are paying $89 to restore their credit, you're gonna earn a $12 residual income for the life of that client. The third way that we get paid is called a customer acquisition bonus. So you see we got Kobe Bryant in the example, right? He brings on Sarah as his first business partner, his first agent enrolled into the company, and the goal is to help them enroll their first 2 customers. This is how this customer acquisition bonus is paid out. So now Sarah gets her first 2 clients. Sarah's happy. She made $100 per client, $200 back in her pocket out of the $288 that she just invested, and Kobe Bryant gets a $100 payout for the bonus of this program. Think about that, guys, right? This bonus ranges from $100 to $560 depending on the position that you have in our company. So as you see, a field trainer for the same exact process, right? You bring that first agent into the business, you help them with their first 2 customers. Now you're earning $160 instead of the initial $100 that we gave you before. Guys, you got a $60 increase. Think about your job, right? What kind of raise did you have, or how much work, how many years did you have to go through in order to get a raise? And I'm gonna promise you it wasn't $60. Now as a senior field trainer in our company, you're earning $240 for that same process. Sales directors are earning $380 at this title, meaning as a sales director, you bring Sarah on, again, help her with her first 2 clients, you're earning a $380 payout for that same process. Guys, executives, vice presidents, all the way up to pinnacle senior vice president are earning $560 for the same process, right? So this is the third way that we get paid. The fourth way is the infinity bonus, right? So sales directors and above, congratulations. Now you're getting paid an additional income on top of the work that you already did. How would you like to get that type of additional income at your job, right? Think about as a sales director, they're doing over $10,000 in business with them and their team. You are not doing this on your own, right? Now you develop a team of agents nationwide that are just referring over our program, and now you're gonna earn 0.5% of that, meaning $50, right? It's an additional $50 gonna hit your checking account once a month as a sales director doing $10,000 in business or over in the month time frame. Guys, as you continue to help more people, as you continue to acquire more agents on your team, more protection plan, more clients, right? The company's gonna give you more of a percentage. So regional sales directors, 0.75%. Vice presidents are doing $100,000 in business with their teams, earning 1.5%. Easy math. An additional $1,500 a month are going into our vice presidents' pockets every single month for just helping their teams acquire more clients and more agents to service more people. As you see, you go all the way up to pinnacle senior vice president that are doing over $10 million in business, which pays out 3%. Think about receiving a $300,000 bonus once a month, right? You're probably thinking right now, there's no way that they can happen. And we actually have individuals in our company with less than 5 years in business receiving this type of income on a monthly basis, and you'll be one of those individuals as well. The fifth way that we get paid is called the R&R Club, the Rest and Relaxation Club. What this means is that now as you and your team acquire 500 protection plan clients or agents, now you're gonna get $600 a month towards a vehicle of your choice, right? Mercedes, Audi, or a Cadillac. We have multiple on our team that have been able to achieve this accomplishment. So shout out to these individuals that are now getting $600 a month towards their vehicle. Level 2 pays out a $10,000 bonus. Level 3, they'll up that allowance to $1,500. Think about the vehicle you can drive at that time now. Level 4 is a $25,000 cash bonus. Level 5 being a $50,000 bonus with the automobile upgrade of your choice, right? If you want to get rid of the Mercedes and go get the Bentley, you have the choice to do so. And level 6, now they're working on your mortgage, right? Think about receiving $5,000 every single month towards your mortgage or the house that you already have. So if your mortgage isn't currently at $5,000, go get another one. Now you got more income coming in. Now you can rent another property, right? Think about the freedom that that's going to give you financially. And then forget your 401k. The retirement plan that this company has, now at level 7 and above, they're going to be working on the retirement. Now they worked on your car, your mortgage. Now they're going to make sure that you retire perfectly with this company, right? $25,000 a month that they'll match you. And they do bonuses from anywhere to $150,000 to $250,000 lifetime bonuses. All level 10s, guys, this is $3.4 million annually with our company, not counting the other ways that we get paid. So I'm going to give you some examples of some of our top leaders, right? Some of the mentors that you'll be able to meet when you join our team. Nicola Smith Jackson, she's our pinnacle senior vice president. This individual does over $10 million in business, right? She's been with the company a little less than 5 years, coming from the hair industry, right? Obviously, she had a ton of connections. She was able to help a ton of people. And she always says, service to many leads to greatness, right? She's been able to help us achieve a lot of success in this business. So thank you so much, Nicola, for everything that you do. And then we have Ashton Henry. This individual came over from Grenada, right, a couple years ago on a scholarship and actually got hurt and had to set up a backup plan, open up a tax office, and acquired United Credit Education Services protection plan for his clients. Now he's a 7-figure earner with our company, actually been on the Steve Harvey show multiple times this year, right? And this is also one of our mentors that's gonna teach us how to become successful with this company as well. So thank you, Ashton, for everything that you do. And then my big brother, Alfred Nixon, this is the individual who introduced us to the business, right? 3.5 years ago, this young man was working in Miami sanitation, picking up garbage, right? But now he's one of the youngest documented millionaires in the entire country, right? Such a humble leader. I have so much respect for this young man. He's a 7-figure earner with our company and also one of the other mentors that's going to be helping you throughout your journey of success with FES. So guys, how are you going to be able to get the training and support? First of all, we're going to teach you how to launch your business. We're going to teach you how to utilize social media to advance the platform, right, and your business and expose this protection plan. Guys, you don't have to sell anyone when it comes to getting their credit fixed. If that individual doesn't see the importance of working on their finances for a better future, that's not the client that you're looking for, right? You're going to be able to develop a substantial team of agents nationwide, right, throughout the entire country. They can get enrolled in this program and start helping people from their markets, understanding and maximizing the compensation plan. We're going to teach you exactly what you need to do so you don't leave any money on the table, build long-term residual income, and have success with this company with the right mindset and the right attitude to help others become successful as well. So marketing systems that we have in place are phenomenal. We have a Success with FES training portal that's going to teach you everything that you need to know to have success here. We have training webinars, just like what we're doing today. Agent Support Center. We just had a regional training event, and we're on our way to Atlanta, Georgia, to have the Synergy event with Nicola Smith-Jackson in November. There's going to be a huge training event where our top leaders are teaching us exactly what we need to do to have the success that they have in this business. And then our annual convention is in Las Vegas, right? Every year in February, we get to gather every single individual in our company with all the top leaders and the owners of the company, where cash prizes are given out, right? Extreme exclusive trainings are being done for you and your team so you guys can continue to expand your business and grow in this company. And then qualified agents have incentive trips. Every year, the company gives out a free cruise to the top 65 earners in the company, guys. I was fortunate enough to be one of those individuals this past year, and this year coming, right? Very grateful for the opportunity. It was actually my first cruise, and it happened to be on the biggest boat in the world. We went out 7 days to 3 different countries. It was phenomenal, and I'm honored to be able to get on there with the top 65 producers of our company so I can learn even more success to bring back to my team. So guys, quick recap, your level of interest, right? $288 as an agent gets you started. Now you're gonna get your own credit fix. You're gonna refer 5 other individuals to the program and get your service completely for free, and now build long-term residual income for you and your family. The second option here, if you wanna become a client, you're not actually looking at the income opportunity. It's completely okay, right? We are client-based anyway. $188 will get you started to start working on your credit, and you'll start to see the graduation of this program within the next 30 to 90 days. Either way, if you have any questions about any of the information that we went over, make sure that you reach back out to that agent that invited you to this webinar. Thank them, take them out to dinner and drinks, right? Take me with you, and we will see you at the top. Congratulations and welcome to the FES team. God bless, guys. Have a great evening.